Okay, so let's look at this one where we have variables and expressions, and we need to solve for x. In this last one, we solved for, what was it, x, and these were corresponding, and corresponding angles were congruent. But in NOCAR 140, we've got something weird going on. These are not any of those special relationships. They're not corresponding. They're not alternate interior. They are not alternate exterior. Yes, they're on the exterior of the parallel lines because M and N are parallel. They are on the exterior, but they do not alternate. So they are not congruent, and they are not consecutive interior angles. So we have to realize that they are not congruent, and you can go along with the thing I said earlier in one of the videos is that all the obtuse angles are congruent and all of the acute angles are congruent when you have this type of situation. And so I know that this 9x minus 30 is acute. That angle is smaller than 90 degrees. And so is this one right here that I'm hovering over. So I could put that 9x minus 30. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy that. Let's see. Insert it. And I'm going to put that right here because where I just put that in right here, those are corresponding. So now I have something to work with. Now these two are a linear pair. They make up a straight line if I look at it this way. So they are supplementary. So what I will do is I will say 8x plus 6 plus 9x plus, no, that's a minus 30. Minus 30 would have to equal 180, okay? Because I had to realize that I got to use something to get some information up here. So they're going to add together to equal 180. And so I combine like terms. I get 17x minus 24 equals 180. I add 24 to both sides. 17x equals 204. And then I'm going to use my calculator, and I'm going to do 204 divided by 17. And I get that x is 12. And this is actually a Delta Math question that you're going to, some of you might see. So I'm going to go back to Delta Math and put 12. Submit my answer, yes, and I got it right, okay? Now, they actually went and took that 8x plus 6 and put it down here, where I took the 9x minus 30 and put it up here. It still works out. It all works out, okay? And then they realized as you add to 180, well, there we go. Good one. So make sure that you're showing work on the ones that have variables in them, please, okay? So I'm going to be looking for that, and excuse me, good luck with everything. And if you made it this far, thank you. I know we are getting to where things are really boring and it's hard to watch me teach sometimes and maybe all the time. And a midterm's coming up and we're just really getting to the point in the semester where it'd be real easy just to stop and not try as hard. So thank you guys so much for working hard and paying attention and watching the videos. So if you got this far, please email me and tell me that you got to the very last video in section 5.2, and I'm going to give you some extra points for your checkpoint this week. You guys have a great day. Bye.